guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Romafilo, back with another video. So in today's video, it is just a continuation of the video from last week. So this will be a part 2, so stay tuned. Top of the morning, day 3 of the vlog. Today we will be doing the final part of the project, which is actually taking the tractor to that other farm. So now I'm going to take the slasher from the storeroom and bring it here so that we can unhook it, because the big tractor can't fit inside the storeroom. So I'll be bringing that slasher here and then taking it out of the small tractor and then bringing the big tractor to come and hook it. Stay tuned.
If this is remote filming, sorry to interrupt.
Alright, so at this point in time, this is me pulling up with the tractor, and then this is me now backing it up, aligning it with the bricks that we put there so that we can put it on and start the work of unhooking it from this tractor. So this was a hard thing to do. It took some time, but ultimately we got it done. This time, as you can see, we're still struggling to unhinge this slasher, but ultimately we won. And now it was time to bring in the big tractor to hook it so that we can take it to its home. Now this is the big tractor coming in to hook the slasher, so it was us now making sure we could align it properly, and then from there take the slasher with the tractor to where we were taking it. So now this is us aligning it, and you will see us as we continue the work. but then we encountered an unexpected event. If you can see, the tractor in this video is a bit leaning towards the left side. So at this time, what you're about to see now is us taking the compressor to pump it, and we pumped it so that we can be able to continue with the journey, and that is what we did. At this point, we're currently en route to town, and as you can see, it's just the beautiful sceneries there until we got to town. The tractor got a puncture, so now we have to try and fix it before we proceed with our journey. As you can see, we're here super quick, so we are going to try and get a tire to fit in this tire, a tube to fit in this tire. What you're seeing now is that we had to take the wheel out of the tractor and planning how we were going to operate and try change this puncture, and then we started working and taking it out. So now I just left town with the tractor, I'm driving out of town. Everything is going smooth, but as I'm leaving town now, tractor starts, going start doing some movements, to the side, like to the right side. The right tire was starting to, so I'm asking myself, I look down and this is not looking good for us, We just patched it, everything, everything was perfect. Then all of a sudden it started shaking. So at this point, I started slowing down, getting out of the road a little bit, and then after, I don't think it was a kilometer out of town, then the tire just went like poof, then the tractor went down. So that is how we got this puncture. Update. So we got another puncture, the second one of this project. So now we had to get the new tires because the tire was completely gone. The tire was completely gone, so we had to get 2 new tires. So now we're going to put the new tires into the tractor, and then we can continue with our journey. These are the new tires, and this is the puncture that we got. So now the puncture had been fixed, the tires had been put in, and now we're en route to the farm. And as you can see, the beautiful scenery still, seeing the water and going through the woods to go to the farm. What you're seeing is the finished product, the tractor in the shed right there. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of my video today. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned next week for the next video. Thank you.